What's up mga kaboboards? For today, mag-experiment about the breadboard experimenter. Let's go! Join us! Step 1. Make sure to always understand and observe precautionary and safety measures, especially in dealing with live electrical powers. Step 2. Make all your materials available. So as you can see, mauni ang mga materials needed for this experiment. So the materials needed in this experiment is 5 volts power supply, hook up wires AWG22, black and red, 8 pieces LEDs, 8 pieces 1 kilo ohms resistors, and breadboard. So, mauni ang needed nga materials for this experiment, guys. Step 3. Read and understand the procedures first, from the very first up to the end before doing anything. So, ani guys, nagbasa mi sa manual and procedures on how to do the experiment. Step 4. Before constructing the circuit, make sure to disconnect the power source first. Step 5. All required responses must be handwritten only on the respective spaces provided. Step 6. You may attach your breadboard on a wooden or plastic board to make it sturdier and steadier, just like shown to the video. Step 7. Use jumper wires to connect top and bottom grid, positive and negative power grid, black wire for ground, or negative and red wire for the positive power grid. Make sure to make your connection to the rightmost side of the breadboard. So mauni guys, as you can see, naiduha ka AWG wire na naka-attach sa atong breadboard, black and red. Step 8. Connect your LEDs, negative leg of the LED to negative grid. So, mao ni atong 8 LEDs nga gi-connect na to sa negative leg of the LED to negative grid. Step 9. Connect the resistors for the LED. So magbutang na tag resistors guys. 8:8 atong ratio when it comes to the LED and resistors. We are using here 1 kilo ohms resistor. Step is connect the data input jumper wires from the resistor to the negative grid. Negative indicates a logic 0 input and positive denotes a logic 1 data input. Next step is connect the power supply. So, i-connect na nato itong power supply, guys, para musiga na to or atong pasigaon. If all LEDs have lighted, then your device is now ready for the next experiment. So as you can see, guys, kasiga na nato tanan atong LED. So ready na for next experiment. So the next experiment is the LED indicator while light of a high voltage or logic 1 is received or given from a source. Example, placement of your IC on the breadboard. So i-place na nato atong IC sa atong breadboard, guys, and connect positive supply here, connect positive supply here. Data inputs and its example connection to LED indicators. So, let your output be checked and recorded. Morning na, guys. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn something from this experiment. Peace out, mga boboards. Hee hee.